First up, we have Bath & Body Works. This was the last day of their semi-annual sale. First thing that I got that isn't a wallflower refill is this strawberry pound cake hand cream. It smells so good. I love strawberry pound cake. I know a lot of people have different thoughts on the scent, but I like gourmands and I love strawberries, so this I absolutely love. I'm going to keep it probably in my car or in a purse. The next product that I got is this hand soap. It is the only scent that they had on sale. It is their Earl Grey tea and mint, and to be honest, I just picked it up because it was like $1 or $2, but I didn't smell it, so first impressions. Oh, I actually like that. It actually does smell like tea. I think this would be really nice in the kitchen. So yeah, I was able to pick this up for just $2 at 75% off. And then everything in here is all wallflower refills. So I will show you guys the scents that I picked up. I picked up about 10 of this scent, Blue Ocean Waves. It smells so good. It smells like the beach. It is super fresh. It's not too overpowering. I think this is going to be perfect for year round. So I picked this up for $2 a piece. I also got a few of this Mountain Teakwood wallflower refill, and this I prefer over the Mahogany Teakwood. I feel like that one is a little too overpowering. It smells too much like cologne, versus this one has more of a fresh element in it, and it's not too much to smell on an everyday basis. I put this in the bathroom personally, and it smells so good. I also picked up a Fresh Cut Lilacs. This will be perfect for the spring. I was also able to find this Lavender Bergamot. Altogether, the Bath & Body Works was $36 and I saved $102. Next up, we have Hollister. I feel like Hollister is making such a big comeback. I'm seeing so many people shopping at Hollister now, and their clothing has gotten so much cuter now that they don't slap their logo and their name all over every shirt. So yeah, I really like Hollister's stuff. The first thing that I picked up is this Hollister baseball cap, and it is adjustable on the back. I just think this is going to be so cute in the summer, and it was $8 and then 30% off of that. And then I also picked up this shirt. I don't have any long sleeves like this, and I want to get some more cute basic long sleeves that I can pair with a lot more stuff and just keep in my closet all year long. So I picked up this really cute black long sleeve shirt. I really like the details on it, the scrunching, and it fits me like a glove. And this shirt was only $9 and then 30% off of that. So I got it for like $6. Next up, we have Ulta, and I'm so excited because if you didn't know, Ulta now sells Sol de Janeiro, and I love Sol de Janeiro. I have so much of their stuff, and the scent that I go through the most is 71, and if you didn't know, Sol de Janeiro at Ulta now has the full size perfume, which is so good because I was doing the comparison between the smaller bottles and the larger bottles, and you get so much more out of the big bottles for the price. So if you like going through one of their scents a lot, I highly recommend just picking up the big bottle. So I had to pick up 71. The notes are caramelized vanilla and macadamia. I have never gotten more compliments on a scent or a perfume in my entire life. Every time I spray this and then walk past someone, they ask me what I'm wearing. So I had to pick up the full bottle of that, and it was $40. Next up, from Ulta, I was able to get a new mascara from Essence. Now this is a new color, and this is their famous Lash Princess mascara. They now have it in the shade Black Brown, which I was super excited about because I love brown mascaras. This is what the mascara looks like. It is a Black Brown Lash Princess mascara. I just knew I had to get it because I love this mascara, and it was $5. And then, kind of boring, but the last thing that I picked up is this loofah, and it was on sale for only $1, normally $3, and I needed a restock, so I went ahead and I picked this up as well. Next up, we have Francesca's, and it said all over their front window warehouse sale, so I knew I had to go in, but I didn't want to just pick up stuff because it was on sale, so I wanted to grab a piece that I would really use all year round, and I was able to find this beautiful shirt. This is from the brand Blue Rain, and it is stunning. This is what the shirt looks like. It is super flowy. It has little ruffles on it. I think this is going to be so adorable, especially in the summer with a pair of jean shorts, or even in the spring with a pair of jeans. And it was only $5, so I knew I had to pick it up. Like, look at how cute the little details are, and the material is just so lovely. And normally it was $38. Next up, we have Abercrombie Fitch. This was an online order, and this is going to be your sign to look at their clearance, because they had insane deals, and they also had like take an extra 20-30% off of clearance deals as well. So I was able to get stuff that I've been eyeing for a really long time. The only downside is that this stuff was on final clearance, so if it doesn't end up fitting, or if you don't end up liking it, you can't return it. But if you do that, I just highly recommend to look at reviews, look at the size guide, and only pick it up if you are okay with it not fitting properly. Now, the reason I made this entire order is for this dress, and it is beautiful. As you guys probably know, I am graduating in May, so I would much rather get my graduation dress now before they all sell out, or before they're like $80 for a dress and I can't get them on sale. So I was able to, I love it so much. I was able to get this beautiful dress. First of all, look at these sleeves. They have the most beautiful puff sleeves, and the quality is so thick. So I was able to get this beautiful dress. This is the top, and it's just super flowy at the bottom. It is like a mini dress, but look at how stunning this is. I love it so much. And as you can see, it was normally $80. But I was able to score this dress for $13.58. How insane is that? Normally $80, and I got it for $14. And you know that this dress, they will be selling again in the spring when everyone graduates for full price. So I'm so glad I picked it up now. Next up, we have one of the most beautiful dresses I have personally ever seen in my entire life. And this just sealed the deal for me. I was like, all right, I need to make an order. Again, can we get enough puff sleeves in 2024? I don't think so. The print is so beautiful. And again, the quality of their dresses is insane. I am going to Greece over the summer, so I wanted to pick up a few pieces that I think I could wear there, or even in general throughout the summer, and this piece is going to be perfect. So this dress is normally $120, but I was able to get it for $56. So again, another insane deal. And then the third thing that I got from Abercrombie is this beautiful skirt, normally $90, and I was able to score it for only $16. So this is the top of the skirt. It has a zipper closure and then a little clasp. And it is a long, flowy, beautiful skirt. It does have several layers as well. It is in see-through. It is just so beautiful. And I've been looking at Pinterest, and a lot of girls usually style skirts like this with a cute, puffy little white tank top or a tube top. So that's definitely how I'm going to style this. I think it is adorable. Now, the final package that I have is from Sephora, and these are brand new launches. I am so excited to open them. Let's unbox it together. Oh yeah, first samples. So for samples, I was able to get the Say Slip Tin. I actually have really been wanting to try this, so I'm glad that I got the sample. And then the other sample that I got is the Unseen Sunscreen from Supergoop, so I'm super excited to try that as well. And then if you spend a certain amount of money, you also get like minis and trial size stuff. So I was able to get this Rare Beauty. It is the Find Comfort Hand Cream. Look at how adorable that packaging is. Get out. This is so cute. So I'm super excited about that. And then let's get on to what I ordered. The first thing is the Laneige Berries and Chocolate Kisses kit. Look at how adorable this is. All right, let's open it. Not only does this come with the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in Berry, but also it comes with this limited edition mini chocolate lip sleeping mask. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. It smells so good. It smells like hot chocolate. I am so excited to use that. And then the moment we have all been waiting for, I finally got my hands on the new Sol de Janeiro perfume. This is 59. Let's smell this together. So the description of this scent is, share the warmth of a sunset with uplifting notes of vanilla orchid, sugared violet, and sheer sandalwood. Spray it. You guys, I wish you could smell this through the camera. It is so good. I cannot stop smelling it. It is so good. My eyes are almost watering. If you like vanilla scents, you need this Sol de Janeiro perfume. It is so intoxicating and it smells so luxurious. Like, for the price, it is so good. It is so good. It is so worth the hype. I'm so glad that I picked this up. So yeah, that is my haul for today. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and also follow my other socials. My TikTok and my Instagram is Bougie Finds Official, and my Facebook page is Bougie Finds. Let me know down below in the comments what videos you guys would like to see next, and yeah, bye guys!